Are you ready for your superhero mission? Sanders needs our help. Are you up to the challenge? As you know, students are eating unhealthy food during lunch and snack time. We have got to solve this problem. Here's your mission. Can you create an ad to sell the food we're growing in our garden to Sanders families? What's an ad? An ad is an advertisement. You're letting everyone know about a type of product or service. Let's take a look at some ads you might have seen before. Get your looking eyes on. Here's an ad from Publix. You might see this ad when you go grocery shopping. Notice that ads have lots of color and pictures and details. They make you want to buy their product. Did you know that Miss Jensen and all of the kindergarten teachers send home ads all the time? Here's an ad that we recently sent home from the PTA about buying a Mother's Day flowers. Notice there's pictures and there's dates and how much it costs, how much money it is, a lot of information. You can also make an ad for a service. Maybe you want to babysit and you put up an ad for people to call you because you're a great babysitter or you're a tutor. Did you know kids can make ads too? It says, "Come to our lemonade stand." Only 50 cents, and it has a date and time, and it says raising money for tornado victims. So this was an ad someone made to raise money for tornado victims. That's pretty cool. So it has a reason of why they're doing a lemonade stand, date, has the only thing they're missing is a picture to make it even better. Ooh, look at this ad. This reminds me of our garden ad that we need to do. This is called Meet Up at the Market. And this is a market selling fruits and vegetables, and it lists all the types of fruits and vegetables. It has the date, the time, a phone number to call if they have any questions. So, you might be wondering, what do you need on your ad? You're going to want a picture. I put a question mark because you have to decide what picture you want to use. You need a date. I wrote the date for you. We're going to sell every Friday next year because our food isn't ready to sell this year. But next year, maybe every Friday, we can have a market. The time is going to be before and after school. Now, I want you to figure out the reason. Why should they buy food from our garden? You're going to want to put that on your ad. And then the last thing you're going to put on your ad is, how much does it cost? How much is a carrot? How much is a green bean? You have to figure that out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things you need on your ad. A picture, the date, which you can copy these 2 words. The time, you can copy the time that I gave you. You're going to need your own reason and your own price. You can decide on the materials you need. What paper do you want to use? Do you want to use crayons or markers? Do you want stickers? Look at all these supplies that you can use. You might want to practice writing what you want to say in your journal first, kind of like a rough draft, and then when you can have an expert or your teacher proofread it first to check your spelling, and then you can make your final copy on the paper you chose. Once you finish, share your ad with your class and earn 5 dojo points. Mission accomplished.